Hello everyone! Today we'll be building our bookshelf within Notion. Join me as we go through the steps together. After creating a new page and adding a cover, let's now establish our main database. Next, we'll add the necessary columns to ensure you achieve identical results. Follow along to replicate the setup. Now, let's design the default template for our book. I prefer using 3 sections, one for the summary, one for the quotes, and another for the notes. You can effortlessly generate a book summary using AI by simply hitting the space key on your keyboard. Easy and efficient. Let's structure our notes and quotes sections in the form of buttons, enabling us to easily generate a new section with just a click. Set the template we've created as the default for all views. Next, let's populate our bookshelf with some books and enhance their visual appeal by adding covers. Simply search for the book you want on Google, then copy and paste the cover link here. Now, let's integrate our progress bars and incorporate an additional formula that will automatically calculate how long it takes to read the book. Let's test it out. As you can see, it works seamlessly. Next, enhance the database view for a more aesthetic and well-organized layout. Don't forget to implement some filters, allowing you to navigate your bookshelf with ease. And as we delve into these improvements, don't forget to show some support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and leaving your valuable feedback. Your encouragement fuels my motivation to keep growing and providing you with more content. Let's build a community together. Thank you for your support.